Hello friends, today's video regarding Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra 5G satellite rugged phone.
What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
Ulefone, a Chinese company, specializes in high-end rugged phones. The company has just released the highly anticipated Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra 5G satellite rugged phone. The Armor 23 Ultra is a hot new model that is ideal for outdoor activities. It is the first rugged phone with a two-way satellite tool. The Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra is equipped with advanced satellite messaging technology provided by Bullitt Satellite. Two-way satellite messaging ensures a reliable communication channel, providing users with previously unheard-of levels of connectivity in areas where cellular and Wi-Fi service are unavailable. In certain dire, life-threatening situations, the SOS service allows users to instantly contact a dedicated, round-the-clock international response center for emergency assistance. Armor 23 Ultra was tested in a controlled laboratory environment and certified as splash, water, and dust-resistant. Rugged products are built to withstand a variety of harsh conditions, including vibrations, drops, high temperatures, dust, and moisture. They have protective features and reinforced casings to ensure they can withstand the harsh environment of construction sites. The quad camera system is located on the handset's back, including a powerful 64MP night vision camera, a large 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a flagship 50MP primary camera. Furthermore, a versatile 3x telephoto lens will allow you to take your photography to new heights. It also has a front-facing camera with a resolution of 50 megapixels. More importantly, multiple cameras or depth sensors can improve a smartphone's ability to produce eye-catching portrait mode effects like bokeh or background blur. This can be useful when creating multi-camera shots, 3D effects, or immersive content. The primary camera on the Armor 23 Ultra has autofocus. In an autofocus, also known as AF, optical system, a sensor, a control system, and motor work together to focus on a manually or automatically selected point or region. There aren't many Android cameras that don't have autofocus. The primary camera on the Armor 23 Ultra has optical image stabilization, OIS, to compensate for camera shake. Anyone shooting with a long lens, without a tripod, or in low light requires optical image stabilization. The 5280 mAh battery is small for a smartphone designed for outdoor use. This means that, while the Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra is not a long-lasting runner, its lightweight design sets it apart. This could also be true. A maximum charging power of 120 watt is available. After 23 minutes, the smartphone should be fully charged again. Furthermore, 50-watt wireless charging has a lot of power. This makes up for the small battery. The front features a 6.78-inch display that is only interrupted by a punch-hole notch that houses the front camera. In addition, one more notification LED is supported. The fingerprint scanner and high quiet rocker are on the left, while the triple SIM card slot, hidden memory card, and free assignment button are on the right. On top of the smartphone is an infrared transmitter and an SOS emergency button. The Ulefone has a 3.5mm jack connection, as well as a bottom USB-C port. The smartphone has a 6.78-inch IPS LCD with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. It has 512 GB of internal storage and 12 GB of RAM, but microSDXC, a dedicated slot, allows you to expand the storage. The device is powered by a Mali-G77 MC9 GPU and an Octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 8020 processor. Among the sensors are a fingerprint scanner on the side, an accelerometer, a proximity sensor, a compass, a gyroscope, and a barometer. It also includes a satellite-based emergency SOS service, Bullitt Satellite Connect. The Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra supports dual SIM in addition to GPS, L1 plus L5, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, QZSS, BDS, NFC, and Bluetooth 5.1. It is powered by the Android 13 operating system. The Armor 23 Ultra would be a compelling smartphone with a starting price of around $469.99. Without a doubt, satellite communication is a novel feature, but it requires a separate subscription to use, and many parts of Asia appear to be ignoring it for the time being. The rest of the hardware sounds great, like a high-end outdoor smartphone that can compete with devices like the Oukatel WP30 Pro and Blackview BL9000. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this